Jesus Nkube.
Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me.
Think say they wise. My bag of money, my bag of money, my bag of money. Where they put the head off? Where they put the head off?
Oh, bring her come outside. Bring her come outside. No time, no please, I'm back.
I'm gonna calm down now. Oh, this. Hey! When I see this bag when I carry so, I'm a believer. You see all these years when I run the horse, you see this one, tar. I don't have.
Calm down first. Wait. Before you open that bag, we'll get something clear. See, this money no be like last time. This time around, we'll share everything equal.
Normally.
Understand? We'll share everything equal. Nobody go take higher than any other person. Are they serious for this one?
One
and the key for 5 naira.
Open the bag now. Open the bag. Make you know.
Don't get mad. They talk to me now.
Put this thing down,
I'm into this game. Yeah?
No, they understand all these kind of pastors.
It is smoke Igbo.
So, okay, see, I'm here.
Hey!
One Coke.
Photo.
One olive oil. No wala. You know, say this kind of small place when hold it there, they believe in where they did.
How many times before you know that Nigeria is not?
300 naira. This can't pop us to be this now. Continue. Number one. But wait though. So, unless they catch us now, man us tire, light us. We can't die because of this thing.
You be mumu.
I don't tell you, I say this thing will be work. I don't tire, this thing will be work. Last time the same thing will happen, this thing will be work.
You think say you wise?
See, Omo, I don't know what you dey talk. But Makachuk said, you see, for this work, I was born and brought up in this work.
It is smoke Igbo.
See, for this work, I believe am. In short, as he be now like this now, Baba, when I go share this one, you and me.
Wait. This is the essence of Nigeria education.
Not be juju be that.
A good man turn a bad man. This is it.
Wetin bring essence of education, Oga? Baba, I say make the tough and I take this one.
They have left you behind.
You take this one. Then wait. Baba, may you collect Genesis.
Exodus I will collect.
Exodus.
You be
Oh yeah, now may you choose your own.
This no be work. I know say you know they go church. Me personally, I dey go church. Bible talk am. Even this Bible dey here now talk am. He said people they shoot gun go die by the gun.
Yes, my dear. You just made a point.
Man of God.
I thank the Almighty God who have used you to say his word. Those that killed by sword shall die by the sword. Yahu obumma galanama. Why are you doing this? Whosoever the Son of Man sets free is free indeed. Thank you, my son, for God have used you to speak a word. He said, those that kill by sword shall die by sword. Can you see? Why are you into this? Why will you deprive people of their freedom, joy, and happiness just because of your own selfish interest? Why? To say this is why they do now. What if I am captured? What if I am killed along the line? What if maybe I want to do this and at the end of the day I will be killed and my own will just end like that? So many have died because of the same thing. If you go on social media today, you see a lot of happenings. Some who say, okay, today will be the last time. If I steal today, that will be the end. And that will be his end of life. They will put tire on his neck or on her neck and then kill that person. Have you for one day thought about that? That heaven is real. When you make people to cry, why would you wake up in the morning and the first thing that will come into your mind is how to make another person cry? How to take what that does not belong to you? Who does that? There is an adage that says, whatsoever that comes around is always going around. Or whatever that goes around comes around in whichever way. Sometimes you will come out on the road. You see somebody lying lifelessly on the road. People will be saying, oh, village people have killed him. Oh, they have poisoned her. Oh, whoever that did this will never go unpunished. People will be crying in so many ways. Without knowing that maybe, peradventure, in one way or the other, maybe that person is on a mission to kill another. And God happened to answer the prayer of the person he wanted to go and kill. Makanasi, Obuma, Mala. He that killed by the sword shall die by the sword, like he rightly said. So most times it's not all about poison. Sometimes it's all about God answering other people's prayers. Because you wake up in the morning, Father, protect me today. Whatsoever danger that will come to me, Father, divert it. Whoever that is planning evil against me, may it backfire to the person. No! The prayers of that innocent person, God have answered it. And some people are waiting. God does not answer prayer. God does not answer. Okay, the prayer. That is how God answers his prayers. What if you die? No, what if I had killed you people today? You see, there is still time for you. Whatever that have lured you into this, I don't want to know. There are so many good opportunities. There are so many businesses you can venture into it and begin to make small money. You must not carry it in quantum. Also, he never despised the days of little beginning. Whatever I hear you say, that I will do. I will bless the works of your hands. You have to give your life to Christ.
Man of God, even before you come here, I don't decide say I won't give my life to Christ. All these things people they do, nothing there. Life no there. I go like make heaven. If I die now, my family go cry. And my papa and a pastor, I think they make me the shame. I beg. I won't give my life to Christ. Help me.
Oh, but I show you.
Oh, God. Okay. To Christ too. Good.
See, a man of God. See, this is how they talk. Now for yourself. You see, this natural around, they even plan how me and all this. See, and now I don't convince all these ones. No wahala. Now 300, I might leave for you. No wahala.
You pull away sin from your eyes so that you open your eyes and see the truth. God is still available. Good. Good. I want you to repeat after me. Onye nwem, onye nwem.
Onye nwem, onye nwem.
Always oku na me mehego.
Always oku na me mehego.
Mana taa abịakwutewo m gị.
Mana taa abịakwutewo m gị.
Gbaghara m mmehie m niile nke m mere na mgbe gara aga.
Gbaghara m mmehie m niile na m mere na mgbe gara aga.
I have turned a new leaf.
I have turned a new leaf.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Enwere egwu a na-agụ asị, ekwensu were ebe onyinye niile si n'aka gị abịara m. Aha m bụ Chinenye, aha m abụghị ekwensu na-enye. Ekwensu were ebe onyinye niile si n'aka gị abịara m. Aha m bụ Chinenye, aha m abụghị ekwensu na-enye. That is my song. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Chief Imo Comedy.